Welcome. I'm Anca, your multi-award-winning trauma expert, multidimensional healing innovator, and the founder of Soul Serenity Lumina. If you're here, it's because something still feels off. You've done the therapy, the meditations, the mindset work, but your nervous system is still wired for survival. Your mind won't stop, your body won't fully relax, and even in moments of peace, you don't feel truly safe. You're not broken. You are carrying unprocessed trauma, and your body is doing everything it can to protect you. On this channel, I bring together what most healing spaces leave out: neuroscience, subconscious reprogramming, quantum healing, energy work, and sound medicine to help you finally feel safe, whole, and free. So you can speak again. You can sleep again. You can speak your truth. Create and connect without fear running the show. This is trauma healing that works at the root for the people who've tried everything. This channel isn't just content, it's part of a movement to make deep, integrative, sacred healing the new standard. Subscribe now, explore the tools, and when you're ready, book a free call or download your free healing kit below. You don't have to figure it out alone anymore. I'm here, and I truly can't wait to support your return to peace. Until we meet again, may you be at peace, may you be loved, may you be loved, and may your journey be filled with light and joy. Take care and be well.